Today I'm going to show you how to cut and install a filler piece for a bathroom vanity cabinet. You're rarely going to get it where the wall is perfectly parallel to this front edge of your cabinet. So what you need to do is be able to scribe to the wall. Take a measurement at the top. On this one's 1 1/8 inch plus. And then one on the bottom, which I'm right at 1 inch on this one. The cabinet company that I bought these through didn't have a 3/4 inch thick filler strip in stock, or I don't know exactly what happened, but I didn't end up getting any. But I have some leftover toe kick, which is 1/8 of an inch thick, so I actually glued it to a scrap piece of MDF. You can just use the 3/4 inch filler. It's gonna be a heck of a lot easier, so you don't have to do this step. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mark 1 1/8 inch on this side, and then 1 inch on this side, and I'm gonna cut in a straight line between those two because my wall is straight. If yours is curved, you might have to take a few more points for reference. You can cut this with a circular saw. That's probably your safest bet and cleanest cut. You can also cut it with a jigsaw. All right, so I've got that line drawn. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go trim this end off on my miter saw. I know the length of how long this is supposed to be just from measuring up and down on that face frame. So mine's 29 15/16. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut this off and I'm gonna rip out this little piece. Here's this little piece all cut. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take it from the top and slide it down like so. Make sure that you're staying lined up with the front. There it is. Beautiful. And there you go. Now you cut that filler piece. Now all I'm gonna do is countersink in from the face frame over with 3 screws and screw it in. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.